whisper in the rain. We read between the lies they tell, two souls that can't be free. Every word we never say still lives inside of me. If loving you's a quiet crime, then I'll serve the years and dreams where we dance beneath the thunder's soft forbidden theme. Every night I fight the fear and the flame, but I still call your name. You're my whisper in the rain, a light I can't contain. Even if the dawn reveals a world that won't remain, though we live behind a line that hearts can't cross in time, I'll keep your name like a whisper in the rain. Just out of place, a secret song the stars embrace.